Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today I am unboxing my very first Boxycharm. Yeah, so I'm super excited to have this because, believe it or not, I actually heard about these guys from a friend at work. She loves makeup too. She doesn't make videos or anything like that, but she loves makeup as much as I do. And she goes, Kenzie, well, me and her were just kind of talking and just like chatting back and forth and everything. And she just happened to say, hey, Kenzie, I know you like makeup and everything. I got my Boxycharm last month. And I was like, oh, what's that? So she told me. So yeah, I looked it up myself afterwards and I saw that it's really cool. Like I looked at the website, there's a lot of really cool like items in there from brands that I recognize, like Smashbox, Tarte, Cover FX, stuff like that. And then I went to YouTube and I watched a ton of videos on like past boxes and stuff like that, and I was like, these are actually really good items. It is $21 a month and that is super cheap, and they give you like $100 worth of items every single month, and they are full-size products. So I'm very excited. This is the first one that I've ever gotten, and I paid this with my own money. It did not come to me, like, obviously, but let's go ahead and get into it. If you want to see this month's Boxycharm, then keep on watching. That was like the longest intro ever, and I'm sorry, but I'm really excited. I have not seen this. I've not seen any spoilers online. I've been kind of like, I'm always like this with subscription boxes. I had this when I had Ipsy. I had Ipsy in the past. I had Loot Crate for a while. I had Loot Crate for a long time. I had Birchbox for a little bit. Like, I am one of those people to where I avoid spoilers like the plague. Like, I will avoid them. If I see like Boxycharm or Ipsy or whatever, like the box that I'm currently looking at, I'll just like click out of the page because I don't want to be spoiled. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Here is what it looks like going in. I don't even want to look at it first. I just want to like take what's off the top. I'm very excited. Okay, so here, this is I hope it doesn't have anything on. Okay, I don't think, okay, so let me look. So 20% off, these are like little coupons, 20% off a Smashbox on your next order, so that's really cool, and 25% off your next order from Velour. I want to know what that is for, but that's really cool. Alright, so Velour's on this. Do you see her right there? Am I missing something? I feel like I'm missing something. I have no idea, but apparently Velour's on here. I watch her videos. I think her videos are awesome. I don't know why she's on here, but the very first thing that I see, I'm just going to literally grab. I'm gonna take this out. Nope, I'm not. Just kidding. I'm gonna grab right here, and this is a Adidas New York organic infused age-defying nail treatment. Interesting. Look at that. That's super pretty. Like the packaging. I've never heard of this brand before. I'm not really a nail person, so I don't know much about nail stuff. But this is really cool. It's a nail treatment. Here is what the bottle looks like. It's really nice. It's pretty. I don't really use stuff for my nails. That's not a bad thing. I'm not knowledgeable when it comes to that. So really cool. So next thing I have here are these. Ooh, guys, these are House of Lashes. This is really cool. I've never used any kind of House of Lashes. I know a lot of people love these a lot. Never used any of these before, and the thing is that I don't even wear fake eyelashes because I don't have any. I never know which ones to really get, so I just don't buy them, but I'm always so down to try these. These are really pretty. These look kind of, correct me if I'm wrong because I honestly don't know, but I think these are more of like party lashes, like kind of like, you know, like flare and stuff like that. So it's really pretty. I'm very excited to give these a shot. That's really cool. I'm very excited. Oh my god, I literally just looked down. Oh man, I forgot to pick up the box. This is why. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Now I get it. God, Kenzie, you're so stupid. I didn't know this. It's got Laura's Party Animal palette in here. Look at that. I honestly, guys, I swear to you, I did not know this was in here, and I have been like avoiding spoilers because I know they send stuff out, and I got an email being like, find out what's in your box like ahead of time, and I was like, no, don't want to see it. I had no idea. That's amazing, Laura. Congratulations for being in here. I watched her and her husband release this. This is incredible. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, the packaging feels really nice as well. Expect a review on this 100%. But I'm going to give you a quick little look at the colors here though. Look at how beautiful. Maybe I should hold it the correct way. There's a mirror, so that's why. But look how pretty these colors are. As you know, I'm not afraid of color. So I will 100% be using this and wearing these. That is so awesome. I'm super excited. I'm so excited about this. So let me do it correctly. I'll pick up the box again here, and then I've got this, and this is really cool. This is a Smashbox liquid lip, and it looks brown. Psychic medium. So it does look brown, which I'm very interested in. It is. Ooh, okay. I've never ever used a shade like this. It doesn't really say like what color. Well, it says psychic medium, but this is really cool. I have another one of these in the shade Man-Eater. It's a metallic lip. This is really cool. I've never used this kind of, would you call this a nude? Is this a nude, or is it like a different category? Is it brown? I honestly don't know. Let me give it a swap. Ooh, that, my friends, is super like creamy. Look at that. I always swatch things so weird. That's really cool. I've never ever used a color like this, so I will 100% be giving this a shot and try it out in the future. This is really nice. I like this a lot. I love Smashbox in general. I think they have great lipsticks. So yeah, super excited about that. And then next, I have this, and this is from Bang Beauty. I don't know what it is. It is, ooh, I read the box. It's a gel eyeliner. Oh, it's in like a brown. Cool. So here is the, I've never heard of Bang Beauty before, so I'm trying something different. This is in the shade Chocolate. Right here, and then when you untwist it, there's the liner. You get a lot in there as well. A shade Chocolate. I haven't used a gel liner in quite some time, so I will definitely give this a shot. I have to get a brush to do it with because I honestly don't think I have one, because I haven't used gel eyeliner in that long. So once I get a brush, I will 100% use this, but this is really cool. And then the last thing I see, yeah, I lifted up the packaging just to make sure, like, the little foam bit. The last thing I see are 3 of these right here. They are Wander Beauty. It says Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Okay, cool. So I've never used an eye mask. As you guys, like, I feel like I've never used anything. And there's 3 in here, so one houses each pair. I don't know, that sounded weird. One bag has 1 pair of them, so you have 1 for both eyes. Really cool. I'm excited to try them out. I've never used anything like this before. To brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Blah, blah, blah. It's fun. Really cool. I am very excited to give this a shot. This has been really cool, you guys. I'm very excited about this. I'm so excited about this. I cannot wait to use this. This has got me like super hype. But I want to read this card because I think it shows like what is in it. So at the House of oh, actually, okay. So the Party Animal palette, $19. The House of Lashes is between $9 and $12. I don't know which one this is. It doesn't say. And then the Smashbox liquid lip right here is between $21 and $24. I don't know which one this is. I think this one's $24 because it's a liquid lip and it's in like the actual packaging. It's not like a gloss or anything. The eye masks are $13. The liner right here is $22, so definitely good there. And then the cuticle oil is $18. So let me actually add that up really quick. So everything in this box did total for $108. So really good deal. And all this stuff was $21 with shipping. So really good deal. I am very highly impressed with this box. I will 100% continue to get this because, again, I buy it with my own money. Like, this is I'm not sponsored. They don't send it to me for free. Right now anyways. If they do in the future, that'd be amazing. But this is a really cool box, and as a consumer, like as someone that is like using their product for the very first time and trying it out and actually being, you know, like a real consumer, I think it's really good. But yeah, you guys, that is going to be the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.